Tag is one of the best tools for ranking your videos as well as get your videos very top position from your search result. There are many sites for getting tags, but mostly you'll not get related tags according to your topic or title. In this video, I'll share the best site for getting tags. What's up guys, hope you guys are fine. If you see our videos for the first time, please subscribe our channel. So without making any further delay, let's go to the screen directly. We'll log into our YouTube channel. We'll go YouTube Studio first. VIDIQ SEO score 41.8 out of 50. Video, I'm gonna show you the source where you can find strong tags and those tags that are highly searched, and this way you can get as much as possible in VIDIQ score. We'll go keyword tool directly. In this website, I can assure you the best tags, the most searched tags you'll find. At first, you have to search with your video title in keyword tool. Like, if your video title is set with Best Online Learning Apps 2020, then you'll have to search with this line in keyword tool. We have searched, unfortunately we have found nothing. Then we'll have to rearrange this line. We just deduct 2020 so that we get the sentence Best Online Learning App. We'll search with this line again. Now we get many of the tags. Best Online Learning App for Class 8, Best Online Learning App for Class 9, Best Online Learning App for Class 11 Science. We'll tick mark all of the tags. And finally, we'll copy in our video and paste tag all of the tags. Now see, we get 27.8 out of 50 VIDIQ. Now we will again rearrange Online Learning App. Another lots of tags. We'll again tick mark and again we'll copy those tags and paste whatever we want to choose. One of the most important parts is that you'll find number of search volume. How many people or how many times this tag has been searched. The trend of this tag item, like in this week learning apps keyword has 644% plus than recent trend. Besides, you can get CPC of this tag item. You know, CPC means cost per click. How much money you'll get click or for this tag, it is determined. You'll get $1.08 for learning apps for kids. These all are greatest features of this website. Besides, the most unique thing of this website is you'll find varieties of tags of your related title or content. In other websites, you might not have plenty of options of tags. Here you can find a lot of options of tags. So now finally, you get to see that 41.8 VIDIQ SEO score out of 50. Once we search anything from Google, we have a lot of suggestions in this regards. We can take all of these items as tag. But if we go on, then we need not necessarily have to go through search items. Please subscribe our channel, hit the like button, share as many as possible. and give your comment what kind of video do you want.